It's okay to be like that. So once I'm done with folding my bread spread, I go ahead and brush my teeth so as to keep it very clean and I feel more neat. Then I go ahead and wash my face using just plain water to remove any dust or anything and make me feel fresh. And then once I'm done with that also, I go ahead and comb my hair, remove first all the tangles so that throughout the day my hair doesn't become a disturbance, and tie my hair into a bun, and that will stay for the whole day. I will not try and remove it so that it doesn't disturb me. Hello, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and are absolutely fine. So today I'm going to share with you all my vlog. It's just a normal day in my life, but I thought of sharing this with you all just because you should get to know a small update of what is going on, how I spend my day and keep myself productive. And yes, if you're new around here, hello, my name is Nidhi. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'm sure you're going to love all the videos, so don't forget to check them out. So without any further ado, let's get started. So once I'm done with everything, I go ahead and have a plain glass of water just to keep my metabolism good and clean my gut. And then after 15 minutes, I go and have a fruit. Make sure to have any fruit. You can have dry fruits or fresh fruit. Today I'm having custard apple here, and it's very good for your health having fruits because it keeps your skin glowing and keeps you all hydrated too. And after this I go ahead and exercise just to stay healthy, a small exercise, that's it. And that day my mother had to go out, so what I did is help my mother a little in her kitchen work. What I did is just remove the leaves from the main stem of the plant and just give to my mother. These are mint leaves, that's it. And then I went ahead and peeled some onions too. I just removed the peel, and then my mother would do the rest of the job. Just small work I would do to help her. And then after like half an hour after my exercise, I go and have my breakfast. So today I had upma. I just thought of keeping something low instead of having daily like fat foods. I went ahead with upma, which is like a low in fat. And once I'm done with that, I had to help my mother in her work. She had some work that day, so she is a little bad in technology, so I had to help her that day, and I was doing that. And once I was done with that, I was a little tired, so I went and had my coffee, which I love. I always love having coffee. Like after 15 minutes of my breakfast, Hey guys, I wanted to give a quick update of what I'm going to do now. So actually I have my online class. I use my phone. Here and there I use my laptop. Just because I'm filming with my phone today, I'm using the laptop now. The thing is, no one is at home today. I am sitting alone. Actually, my mom went to take her second dose of vaccine, so I'm alone at home. And let's see how my home alone goes. So then I went and started attending my classes. It is from 10 to 2. And I started writing my notes and doing everything so that I stay alert and awake during my class. And in the meanwhile also I filled a bottle inside, which you can see, and sipping on some water too. So a quick reminder to all of you is that you should stay hydrated all the time and drink lots of water. So whenever you're sitting for any classes or anything continuously, make sure to fill a bottle and keep it by your side so that you can keep sipping on it. Staying hydrated is very important. You have to stay hydrated to keep your skin glowing and make your body fresh and active. So it was 12 o'clock and I felt lightly hungry, so I just had this pomegranate a little bit. I have fruits when I feel hungry in between. And yeah, this is for you all. Thank you so much for being with me and supporting me throughout. And I just kept on munching this. Like I ate like 10 to 11 spoons and that's it. And this is a quick expectation where we all expect how we want to sit in the class.
but in a few seconds you will see the reality. Most of the students expect that, but the reality is nothing but this. You get bored, tired and lethargic. So you can see the way the reality is.
So I was just doing an expectation versus reality check to show you all the exact scenario of the behind the scenes of every student.
When my mom came back, she bought for me ice creams. I was wanting to have them from so many days, and yes, here I am having it.
So guys, I'm done with taking a shower right now, and I'm done with my skincare too. I've just applied a moisturizer, that's it, nothing else. And I'm feeling very fresh and happy.
So for lunch, my mom made biryani with papad and achar, which was very delicious and yummy. So once I done having that, I went to see my plants. So this is my natural aloe vera given to me by my aunt. So I really love them. And this is the garden, so you can see huge varieties here. This all my dad maintains all of these, and we have like hibiscus flowers there. Here we have some chilies. I will zoom in so you can see, yes, we have some green chilies growing up, which is very cute. Then we have like tulsi, rose and many other plants there, which looks very nice. And this is papaya.
So guys, actually I'm done with my shoot right now. Like, yeah, I was wearing this outfit, a very nice it's like a kurti top, which is very nice and I like it very much. So I have done like a short kind of thing in YouTube short. So that video will come first and then this will come. So if you haven't watched that already, check it out. It's really nice. I've done like a very nice makeup look. So y'all can definitely go ahead and check it out. And now I will change to my normal dress and be back.
So after my shoot, I was really hungry and it took me really long time to shoot that video. So I went ahead and had a Maggie. It was very fulfilling. I usually do not have it every time.
Guys, now it is 7:30 p.m. and now we are feeling bored, so I'm gonna play badminton right now. Like, it's like for half an hour to 1 hour we play badminton just in front of our house. We don't go anywhere else. So I'll show you how I play.
So this is how I play badminton. I've improved a lot, but I was really shy to take this video, so I asked my mother to take it for me, and it took only a small clip because there were like people on the other side of the road watching. So that is all.
Guys, I'm done having my dinner and I'm done with everything. So I just have to cleanse my face and do my skincare routine, and that's it. Here ends this vlog. I hope you really enjoyed this. And if you want to see more such vlogs, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get all my notifications. And if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and share it with your friends and family members. So I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.